So we want to start a blog, and we're discussing all the possibilities of a YouTube channel, Instagram channel, Pinterest channel, etc., etc., etc. As we have both retired, and we're looking for ideas to set up a daily account of our activities as retirees. This is the boss. I'm the lackey. And we are going to do this. But we would like inspiration from the general public of what you would like to know about retirees in the Western Cape, where we've moved to. And we're evolving and living the life in the Windy City.
That's true. And how do we get through our days without physically harming each other?
I'm not going to answer that. I don't think people want to know that you abuse me. That's not even funny.
No, it's not.
The whole world
It's actually serious.
the whole world now thinks you abuse me.
No, no, no. I would never do that.
That's my alarm to record the electricity usage for the daily stats. So, talk soon.